Hello, everyone. My name is Renee, and here are the World Cultural Events and Celebrations for the week of September 21st to September 27th. National Hispanic Heritage Month is annually celebrated from September 15th to October 15th in the United States for recognizing the contributions and influence of Hispanic Americans to the history, culture, and achievements of the United States. This year's theme is Pioneers of Change, Shaping the Future Together, which highlights the Hispanic and Latinx communities' cultural contributions and historical impact. On Sunday, September 21st, there will be a new moon at 3:54 p.m. The new moon represents new beginnings, symbolizing a time for fresh starts, setting intentions. Be sure to be on the lookout for it. Monday, September 22nd, is the first day of Sharad Navratri, a Hindu festival celebrating the divine feminine. Monday is also Rosh Hashanah Eve. Rosh Hashanah symbolizes the Jewish New Year and a time of serious introspection, prayer, and celebration. Wednesday, September 25th, is the Galidiah fast. This is a Jewish fast day that commemorates the assassination of Gedaliah ben Akam. And that's it for the World Culture events and celebrations. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Renee, and I'll see you next time.